Spray foam applications are very profitable if priced right and installed efficiently. It is important to get the right training and support up front to ensure long-term viability of a new spray foam contracting business. Over the past 20 years, Profoam has helped hundreds of new business owners get started in the spray foam installation industry and sustain long-term business success. One Profoam rig with a two-man crew can produce over $1 million in annual revenues, with gross profit margins of 50% and net profits of 25% or greater. With the ever-increasing demand for spray foam insulation throughout the U.S., starting your own spray foam application business could be your key to financial freedom. Contact Profoam today to learn more about the exciting world of spray foam.